Hello friends, today I am drawing a beautiful woman art. For as long as humanity has existed, art has been part of our lives. My art expresses emotions of life. It is one such creation that shows importance of women. Art is universal and can be found everywhere. If there were no art, we wouldn't have been able to see the beauty in things. Art and women motivate us in many ways and also adds happiness and colors to our lives. My art looks so realistic and beautiful. Just pay close attention